Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Inshallah, over the next few weeks, we'll be going through some basic Tajweed rules. These rules will help us improve our recitation. So follow along, pay attention, and also repeat after me so that we can gain maximum benefit. So lesson 1 is regarding the full mouth letters. These 7 letters will always be read with a full mouth in all states. What he means by all states is that whether the letter has a fatha or a kasra or a dhamma on it, then it'll be read in full mouth. Or it has a sakin on it, it'll be read in a full mouth. So let's go through these letters. Kha, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha, Ghain, Qaf. So I want you to repeat after me once again. Kha, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha, Ghain, Qaf. One thing that we need to remember is that if the letter Ra has a fatha, which is a zabar, or dhamma, pesh, then it will be read with a full mouth. Now moving along, going on to the examples of these 7 full mouth letters. So these examples will help us understand how they are recited in each state. So the 7 full mouth letters, once again, let's go through them. Kha, Sad, Dad, Ta, Dha, Ghain, Qaf. So the examples for the letter Kha. خالدين آخر خلق يخرج. Once again. خالدين آخر خلق يخرج. Next letter. Letter صاد. صلاة صراط صحف أصبحت. Once again. صلاة صراط صحف أصبحت. Now the letter ضاد. ضرب رضي ضرب فضل. Once again. ضرب رضي ضرب فضل. Now moving on to the letter Ta. The letter Ta is commonly mistaken in the Quran for the letter Ta. Ta and Ta. People get mixed up with the letter Ta and Ta. So we have to be careful and understand this. So the examples for the letter Ta. طالب عطلت طور بطش. So each example is telling us how it is recited in each state. So with a fatha, with a kasra, with a dhamma, and with a sakin. Moving along to the letter Dha. ظالم يعظم ظلمات أظلم. So repeat after me one more time. ظالم يعظم ظلمات أظلم. Now the letter غين. غالب غير غفر يغفر. Once again. غالب غير غفر يغفر. The last of the full mouth letters. The letter قاف. خلق بقي قتلت أقوم. Once again. خلق بقي قتلت أقوم. We've been through the 7 full mouth letters and their examples. Remember, these rules that we are learning will take practice. So practice these words. Practice the letters of the full mouth. The full mouth letters, practice them. To perfect them, in order to perfect them, we need to practice them. So inshallah next week we'll go through the next rule so that we can also apply those rules into our recitation and perfect them. Jazakumullahu khairan.